Hi, my name is Charlie Brinkman, and today I'm here with my partner.
Charlie Mansfield.
And we have had a big crisis, and we just want to go over what happened. So, what exactly happened here?
So, the highest amount of rainfall ever recorded in 24 hours is 182.5 centimeters or 71.9 inches in Foc, La Reunion. This occurred during a tropical cyclone on January 8th, 1966.
Today we're going to be going over exactly how that happened.
The water cycle.
This here is the water cycle. So today, what we're going to be focusing on is the precipitation.
Not the clouds, the precipitation.
Yep.
Not even the land, not even the evaporation, but the precipitation.
So what happens is that the water evaporates and it
From the
comes
sun.
to the clouds.
From the sun.
And
It cooks it up so hot that it just rises. And what that those water molecules, once they get into the clouds, they start condensing. They form clouds. That's what clouds are made of water. And then once it gets too dense, I should say, it precipitates down to the land. That's how it works.
Precipitation rise and fall. Low air pressure has low density and that rises. With it comes the water vapor. So as the water vapor and low pressure rise, the vapor will condense and form into the cloud in the sky. When the cloud gets heavy enough, it will empty out and all the either sleet, rain, snow, or hail will fall to the ground. The four different main types of precipitation are rain, hail, sleet, and snow. Today I'm going to be talking about snow. Snow happens when the atmospheric pressure is at 32 degrees or below. Once that occurs, the water vapor will turn straight into a solid, skipping the liquid state. Once it starts to fall, it will stay in the ground if the temperature is 32 degrees or below on the ground. Once it goes above 32 degrees, it will turn back into liquid, vaporize, and go back up into the clouds.
The most amount of snowfall that is recorded is very impressive.
The Mount Shasta, California snowstorm in 1959, the storm dumped 189 inches of snow on Mount Shasta. The bulk of snow fell on an unpopulated mountainous areas, barely distributing the residents out of Mount Shasta area. The amount of snow recorded is the largest snowfall from a single storm in North America.
Hi, I'm Jackson, and today I will be talking about sleet. Sleet happens when the air in the clouds is 32 degrees, but when the snow hits the ground, it melts almost instantly. The snow that falls to the ground is dense with water and frozen water particles. Sleet can be very slushy because the air is too warm to keep us into the snowflake.
Hail is pellets of frozen rain that falls in showers from the clouds. How does hail form? Hail forms when thunderstorms updrafts are strong enough to carry water droplets well above the freezing level. This freezing process forms a hailstone, which can grow as additional water freezes onto it. Eventually, the hailstone becomes too heavy for the updrafts in the clouds to support it, and it falls to the ground. That's how hail is formed. The largest diameter hailstone known measured 7.87 inches in diameter, larger than a bowling ball, and weighing 1.93 pounds. It fell on a person during an exceptional hailstorm. The definition of rain is moisture condensed from the atmosphere that falls visibly in separate drops.
No, it's not.
What is a weather radar? A weather radar is also called a surveillance radar and Doppler weather radar. It is a type of radar used to locate precipitation, calculate its motion, and estimate its type. What is a rain gauge? A rain gauge is a device for collecting and measuring the amount of rain that falls.
That's good.
An inch of rain on an acre of land is measured roughly 226,000 pounds, and every minute 1 billion tons of rain falls on the earth. The maximum speed of a falling raindrop can differ from 18 to 22 miles an hour. Precipitation is pretty neat. It's one of the neatest things on Earth.
Bye.